So finally, the Italy's highest court has given the Italian Prime Minister the go-ahead to start operating the Albanian migration camp that they have built. As we all know, several times that the judges here in Italy has rejected the request of this Italian Prime Minister sending asylum seekers to Albania. But all the time, this woman was saying that this camp must function because they have spent a lot of money in building this Albania camp. Now, right now, if your asylum is being rejected here in Italy and you are not doing anything about it, like trying to appeal, they can decide to send you to Albania. If they rescue you on the Mediterranean Sea, they can also decide to send you to Albania to process your asylum. Now, if they are processing your asylum at Albania and you get documents, they will still bring you back to Italy. Now, if they send you to Albania, you don't have your freedom of movement anymore because they will put you in that camp and they will not allow you to go out unless your asylum process is being concluded. And at the end of the day, if you are not able to get documents from Albania, they will now deport you back to your home country. But on the other hand, if you are able to get documents, they will now bring you back to Italy. And this is not for the new asylum seekers only. If you're also having documents and maybe you have committed a crime, they can decide to send you to Albania. So this is not only for the new arrivals. Those who are here already, even if you have documents and you commit crime, they can decide to send you to Albania. And the disadvantage of sending you to Albania as an asylum seeker is that, for example, if you are here in Italy and they reject your asylum, if you appeal, for the meantime, you can be integrated in the countryside, you can get some 1 or 2 jobs to be doing. But once they send you to Albania, it's like they have put in your freedom in a bottle and they have closed that bottle because you will not be having your freedom of movement again. All your moves will be within inside the camp. Now, Italy's highest court green light sentence in Albania. Italy's highest appeal court, the Court of Cassation, has ruled migrants can be transferred to the Jadel Center in Albania for repatriation, despite having failed requests for international protection. The case was brought by the Italian Interior Minister. So the Interior Minister has even posted this on his page. A ruling by Italy's highest court re-examined the issue of repatriating migrants, even those who may have sought asylum in Italy via the Italian detention centers located on Albanian soil. Last week, Italy's highest appeal court, the Court of Cassation in Rome, ruled that requests for international protection by migrants transferred to the Jadel Repatriation Center are not incompatible with detention in the center, according to the Italian broadsheet, that is Corriere della Sera. In an analysis of their ruling, the judges wrote that they believe it is legitimate to detain a foreign national in the facilities even after the presentation of the request, since this center is the equivalent to all effect of the centers provided by the Article 14 of Decree Law 286/98. So now they have given the green light that the Italian government can now send immigrants to Albania. In fact, since the time the judges were rejecting the Italian government sending immigrants to Albania, the Italian Prime Minister, she was always saying that the camp must function.
Abbiate fiducia. I centri in Albania funzioneranno. Funzioneranno. Dovessi passarci ogni notte da qui alla fine del governo italiano. Funzioneranno, perché io voglio combattere la mafia. e chiedo a tutto lo Stato italiano e alle persone per bene di aiutarmi a combattere la mafia.
And here we are, the Italy's highest court has given them the go ahead. Let's watch the video. When we are back, we will give you the rest of the update. So stay tuned.
Trasferite nelle strutture di trattenimento in Albania, includendo anche quelle per cui è stato convalidato o prorogato un provvedimento di trattenimento. Prima del nuovo intervento normativo era consentito condurre nelle strutture in Albania esclusivamente persone imbarcate su mezzi delle autorità italiane all'esterno del mare territoriale della Repubblica o di altri Stati membri dell'Unione Europea, anche a seguito di operazioni di soccorso. Il decreto equipara le strutture in Albania a quelle previste dalla normativa nazionale, ovvero gli hotspot. Il decreto inoltre autorizza il Ministero delle Infrastrutture e dei Trasporti a cedere 2 motovedette a titolo gratuito alla Repubblica di Albania. La mancata convalida del provvedimento di trattenimento nei confronti del richiedente che ha presentato la domanda non preclude l'eventuale successiva adozione di un provvedimento di trattenimento qualora ne ricorrano i presupposti. Il richiedente resterà nel centro anche le 48 ore successive alla mancata convalida per valutare se esistono o meno i presupposti di trattenimento. I centri di permanenza per i rimpatri poi verranno potenziati dal punto di vista tecnico-logistico. Il decreto estende fino al 2026 la facoltà di localizzare, realizzare, ampliare e ripristinare i centri in deroga ad ogni disposizione di legge diversa da quella penale, fatto salvo il rispetto del codice antimafia e dei vincoli inderogabili derivanti dall'appartenenza dell'Unione Europea.
Guys, I hope you have seen the video. As I always say, if it has written that you will get the documents, no matter where they will send you, you will still get the documents. So don't be panicked. There is still hope. And guys, TapTapSend is the #1 mobile app you can use to wire Naira direct to Niger without any stress. With TapTapSend, you don't pay any sending fee or any commission, and their rates are very, very higher. You can download TapTapSend on Google Play or App Store. Register in your first transfer. Just add my promo code officialNiger in capital letters like this. They are still dashing you additional €5 bonus, £10, $10 depending on where you are. If you're in the UK, America, Canada, wherever you are in Europe, you can also use TapTapSend to wire money to loved ones in Africa. Until we meet again in the next video, please stay safe and stay blessed. Peace out.